and I wanted to quickly walk you through creating a coping kit, which can be done really easily and quickly and inexpensively with some different things that can help people regulate if they are feeling stressed out or in a hard moment, like after a big loss or, a death or breakups, job losses, all sorts of things. First, I have a box. It's a shoebox. I've already decorated it, but it is a shoebox. I used dollar store wallpaper to put on top of this. It's sticky, and it just, you have to cut it a little bit to make it fit the box, but it really gave this little shoebox a glow up. This is a drawing, a little painting that I made with a nice inspirational word on it, therapeutic putty. I love it that it says DVT works because it does, and it would be a nice reminder. This is some scratch art. So this is like, kids, I think I got a lot of this at Five Below or the dollar store. So, you scratch off a design and this could be helpful. This one and this one. This is a sensory pick and pull. So people that are prone to picking, biting, scratching, just have that urge to do that either to themselves or the world. These could be alternative activities. I got some really fun pink glitter sand. I love that it's actually got glitter in it because it makes it even more fun as a sensory experience. It's bright pink. I'm glad that I intentionally picked one that did not smell. There's a lot of them that do smell, and you just have to be careful. I think strong smells are great, but sometimes synthetic strong smells are not great. They can be agitating. I tend to go with things that are actual essential oils from a pharmacy or from a natural food store or something. Cooling gel eye mask. This one actually would live in the freezer. Putting cold on one's face when stressed out is using temperature on one's face and body can really help change the emotional tune. Here's a cute little, this is just a fun little sticker, little rainbow sticker, peel and patch. These are soft pieces of fabric. I think they were cut off of something else that I had lying around. Just something really nice and soft and smooth. It's like, this is for all those people out there who loved a security blanket or stuffy. And, it's just really, really smooth and soft. Same thing with this. This is a different sensation. There's flowers that could be traced. Again, dollar store. And also just a really nice way to make this box feel a little bit more magical and special. So with any type of sensory or fidget item, you just have to assess, is it making you feel more regulated and helping you focus, or is it causing more dysregulation and or not helping you focus? Slinkies. A lot of people love the slinky and love the sensation of doing the slinky over and over. Many people love these stretchy bands. And this one's very quiet. The slinky definitely has a sound to it that could be distracting to, if you were going to use it in a space with other people. I love a fidget spinner so much. I know that they got overdone and ruined for all the neurodiverse in the world, but I really love a fidget spinner still. I also love fidgeting with an old phone. Oh my God, remember this? Some of us remember this. Beep, 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 beep. I just love fiddling with it and playing with it just like I used to. Nice little timer here. Sometimes it's helpful to have a timer for doing a breathing exercise. I have some peppermints. Food, you have to be careful whether or not food might be more dysregulating for someone and activating. People with disordered eating, any allergies, just being careful with that. But sometimes a strong flavor like chocolate or mints can be very helpful. I like to put rescue remedy. I'm not a doctor, nor am I advising you as a doctor. I am a licensed mental health clinician, but not your licensed mental health clinician, unless I actually am your licensed mental health clinician, in which case, let's talk about this. But rescue remedy for stress. A little journal, cute little journal could go in there. And there's all sorts of other things that could make this really special and individualized. If you're making one for someone else, make sure you let them know that they can take out whatever is not helpful and that is okay. But these are just some items that could go in a coping kit.